wonderful that everyone is here today and looking spectacular as well. And I just want to say thank you to Andrew and Rachel both equally. The determination it's taken to pull this day off. They've had to fight, you know, this invisible microscopic enemy, and again it's been, you know, put off and off, but we're here today. It's just incredible, you know. And it must be a testament to the love that you have for each other. Okay, that's all I can think it must be. Okay, it's got to be. And I think the scale and enormity of that love is very well captured in the poem by Yeats, which is called The Cloths of Heaven. Had I the heavens embroidered cloths, enwrought in golden and silver light, the blue and the dim and the dark cloths of night and light and the half-light, I would spread the cloths under your feet. But I, being poor, have only my dreams. I've spread my dreams under your feet. Tread softly as you tread on my dreams.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my vows and a reminder that I would rather share one lifetime with you than face all of the ages of this world alone.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my vows and a reminder that I would rather spend one lifetime with you than face all of the ages of this world alone.
Been working late every day, and I've been meaning to say, no time to think about it. What happened the other night between you and I? Been loving the time that we spent.
I just want to say, and I'm sure I speak on behalf of all of us here, huge thank you to Rachel for organising this whole thing in 10 weeks. Like, what an absolute boss, and what a star for doing that. How amazing is she? And I'll finish on cheers to my new, lovely, beautiful wife, Rachel. Isn't she amazing?